I got chocolates. Huh? Morning was best. Double slant. चालू आहे माझं नाही इकडे पण आहे कसं
पुढे सरका थोडं पुढे सरका तू दिसायला पाहिजे स्क्रीनवर
तू दिसणार गेलीस क्लास करते क्यों Good morning, ma'am.
दिला ना मामा
Good morning. I can't get them right.
बाय बाय नाही आता गुड मॉर्निंग म्हणायचं
तुझा कुठं आहे तुझा फोटो
Good morning, ma'am. Kada. Lalu tadi
Yes. Good morning, dear kids.
गुड मॉर्निंग मॅडम
Good morning to all.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning, madam.
गुड मॉर्निंग मॅडम
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay.
Okay, go.
Good morning, everyone. Mute yourself.
किती छान आहे
Okay. Good morning.
किती छान दिसायला लागली दीदी
Good morning. How are you? Fine, everyone. Okay. Now you have to mute yourself. सभी लोग mute करेंगे. Okay. Got it? Very nice. So you know now our EVS period was there. So dear kids, what is this? क्या है ये? चल दीजिए उनको. क्या है?
Out.
Yes, very good. Mouth.
Mouth.
Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Yes, same. Okay, mouth. So this is our mouth and teeth. Very good. You have teeth? है सबको teeth?
Yes.
Yes, I also have teeth. Yes, good. Okay, and
Yes.
तुझं तोंड मान ठेव.
What is this?
What is this? Mouth. Tongue.
Tongue. क्या है ये?
Tongue.
Tongue. Tongue. Show me your tongue. Show me your tongue, everyone.
Show your tongue.
है आपको? Very good. सबको है. Very nice. Good. So, dear kids, as we have learned what things I can do with the help of my mouth. कौन सी चीजें मैं मेरे माउथ से कर सकती हूँ? Yes. Can you tell me any one thing that I can do with my mouth? Yes? Akshara? Yes, I can eat anything with the help of my mouth. I can speak. I can speak with my mouth. I can drink a water. Yes, with the help of my mouth. सब लोग पानी पीते हो? Yes, very good. Madam, give me my bottle. Yes, we can do these all things with the help of our mouth. Look, I can drink a water with the help of my mouth. Okay, so these many things we can do with the help of our mouth. Yes, one more time, everyone, open your mouth. सभी लोग अपना माउथ ओपन करेंगे. Got it? कर रहे हो सभी? Very nice. Good. Same? Yes. So you have to open your mouth. Everyone. Okay, very nice. Good. Now, dear kids, look the next one. So, what is this? ये क्या है?
Nose.
Everyone, show me your nose. सभी लोग
Show your
अपना
nose.
nose मुझे दिखाएंगे. Yes.
Show your nose.
Show me your nose.
Yes.
Everyone, you have a nose. I also have a nose. Look. So,
Nose.
Yes.
Show your nose.
it is the part of our body. It is the part of our face. ये हमारे face का एक part है. Nose, eyes, cheeks. You have cheeks? Chubby cheeks you have? आहेत का कोपरेगाल सर्वांना? Yes. Then this is our chin. Forehead. This is our forehead. Eyebrow. Eyes. Ears. Yes. Ears. And this is our. Yes. क्या है ये? This is our nose. Everyone, you have a nose? सबको nose है? Yes. So, what we can do with the help of our nose? क्या कर सकते हो आप अपने nose से? Yes, breathe in, breathe out. We can take a breath with the help of our nose. We can take a smell of any type of flower. Yes, with the help of our nose. Okay. So, once we will take a breath in and breathe out. So, with the help of my nose, I can take a breath. Yes? सांस ले सकती हूँ मैं मेरे nose से. Got it, everyone? समझ में आया सबको? If yes, then how to show? You have to show me your finger. Got it? Yes, very good. Now, see. What is this? This is my legs. क्या है ये? Yes? What is this?
Leg.
Leg है ये. So everyone show me your leg. सभी लोग अपने legs दिखाएंगे. You have to stand on your place. बात नहीं करना है. Who is talking? Period enjoy करना है. बात कोई भी नहीं करेगा. Yes. So what we can do with the help of our legs? I can jump. Everyone jump with me. I can jump with the help of my legs. I can walk. Yes, I can walk with the help of my legs. Yes, I can run with the help of my legs. Yes, it is the part of our body. Yes, and look, this is our knees. Knees means हमारे जो गुडघे आपण म्हणतो ना त्याला knees म्हणायचं. ठीक आहे? Knees. And the fingers of our legs we call toes. Fingers नहीं बोलने हैं. Fingers सिर्फ hands के होते हैं. Okay? जो legs के होते हैं उनको toes बोलना है. Got it? How many toes you have? I have a 10 toes. I have 5 toes to each leg. मेरे एक पैर को 5 toes है. Yes? आपके? किसी के 6 है क्या? 6 है किसी के toes? 5. I have a 5 toes to each leg. Yes? Got it? Very good. Now, dear kids, see. Yes, have you understood? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? If yes, then how to show? By showing. Yes, क्या करना है? By showing the thumb. Yes? Very nice. Good. Now, look the next. Yes, what is this? ये क्या है? Yes, can you tell me? बता सकते हो ये क्या है?
हाँ.
Show me your that part.
हाँ.
Yes.
क्या है?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Vijesh, sit beta. See? Ears. What is this?
Yeah.
How many ears you have?
How many?
One,
One, two.
two. I have a 2 ears. मुझे तो 2 है. आपको कितने हैं? Show me your fingers. उतने fingers दिखाने हैं. ब्रिजेश, आपको कितने ears हैं? दो है. Yes, I have a 2 ears. मुझे तो 2 है बाबा. आपको कितने हैं?
दो.
सबको 2 है?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So, what is the use, what we can do with the help of this body part? हम इस body part से क्या कर सकते हैं? We can drink a water. We can drink a water. ऐसे मैं water पीती हूँ यहाँ से.
Ears से drink करते हैं water.
Yes. Yes. I can use this body part to drink water. Is it right?
No.
No.
ब्रिजेश बताएगा मुझे सिर्फ. Right? इतने सारे ब्रिजेश है क्लास में. मुझे नहीं पता था. Ruhi, Ruhi. Yes, Brijesh, I can drink a water with the help of my this body part. Is it right? सच है ये? Who is Brijesh in our class?
No.
Unmute yourself, beta. Okay. No, absolutely it is a wrong. I can hear a music. I can listen a music with the help of my ears. Yes, I can listen what you are speaking, what you are talking with the help of my ears. Yes. Okay. Yes. सच है ये? Absolutely, it is the right. I can, yes. Put your hands on your ears. Everyone, put your hands on your ears. Is it possible to listen my voice? Is it possible? No. So, it is very important part of our body. We have to care. We have to take care of each and every part of our body because it is very unvaluable. Yes. Okay. Now let's move towards. We will see the next body part. Okay. Blink your eyes. Blink your eyes. Like me. Close and open. Blink करना है ऐसे ऐसे. आपको आता है ऐसे करना? मुझे तो आता है बाबा. आपको? Yes. So, what is this? This is our eyes. ये क्या है? ये हमारे eyes है. So, कितने eyes है आपको? How many eyes you have? 1, 2. 1, 2. काउंट करते वक्त आपकी फिंगर आईज में नहीं जानी चाहिए, ठीक है? यस, साइड में रखना है. 1, 2. I have a 2 eyes. I have a 2 eyes. कितने आईज है मुझे? 2 eyes. मुझे 2 eyes है. आपको कितने हैं? यस, 3 eyes है किसी को? है क्या किसी को 3 eyes? No. So, close your eyes everyone. Close करना है eyes. Yes. Is it possible to see around us without our eyes, without opening our eyes? Is it possible? क्या ये possible है? हम हमारे eyes close करके देख सकते हैं. Is it possible? No. So, dear kids, with the help of our eyes, we can see around us. We can see around us. हम हमारे आजू बाजू में क्या चल रहा है वो देख सकते हैं. We can read a book. We can read a book with the help of my eyes. Yes. We can watch a TV. Yes. We can see anything what is going on around us. We can observe things with the help of our eyes. So it is a very, very important part of our body. Got it? Yes. Everyone, have you understood? सबको समझ में आया? Rajveer, you are not there? Yes? Okay. कृतिका, समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? If yes, then you have to. Now, what is this? Yes, क्या है ये? What is this? You have this body part? Hi, shake hand. Yes, hands. I have a 2 hands. How many hands you have? 2. सबको 2 hands है? I have a 2 hands. Yes? Very good. So, with the help of my hand, I can hold a bottle. I can hold a book. Yes, I can hold anything with the help of my hands. Yes, how many fingers to each hand? कितने fingers है आपको एक hand को? How many fingers to each hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5. I have 10 fingers. How many fingers? 10 fingers. Show me your fingers. Wiggle your fingers. Yes, I have a 10 fingers. Okay. So what we call this? Elbow. क्या बोलते हैं हम इसको? Elbow. Say elbow. Yes, elbow. This is our arm. ये क्या है? Arm. And this is wrist. This is our wrist. Show me your wrist. This is our wrist. Elbow, arm, shoulder. Yes. Fingers, wrist, arm, elbow, shoulder. Yes. Fingers, wrist, arm, elbow, shoulder. Yes. One more time. Fingers. Everyone. Swaraj, Suresh, you are not doing. Fingers, wrist, arm, elbow, shoulder. Shoulder. Yes. This is our neck. Show me your neck. Neck. This is our neck. Okay. So with the help of our hand, we can hold, we can write, we can eat, we can hold anything. Yes. Very good. So these are the things which we can do with the help of these body part. इन सभी body part के help से हम ये सब चीजें कर सकते हैं. Okay? Yes? Have you understood? Yes or no? Very good. Now, we are going to do one activity related to the same topic, that is body part, my body. Yes. सबको अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व करना है, मैं क्या कर रही हूं ये आपको मुझे बताना है. ओके. यस. नाउ लुक हियर. व्हाट इज दिस? क्या है ये? यस. क्या है ये? हु विल टेल मी? लेग्स. यस. ये मेरे लेग्स है. दिखाई दे रहा है सबको?
Yes.
This is my legs. Okay. Now hands. क्या है ये? Hands है. और ये मैंने किससे होल्ड किया है? ये जो पेपर है मैंने किस चीज से होल्ड किया है? मेरे कौन से बॉडी पार्ट से होल्ड किया है मैंने? कौन से बॉडी पार्ट की हेल्प से होल्ड किया है? विद द हेल्प ऑफ माय
दिखाना है अब.
now
Nose.
nose. क्या है ये? Nose. Yes. See, this is my nose. Now, wait. क्या है ये? Eyes. अगर आप बात करोगे तो मैं नहीं पढ़ा। देखो कितनी इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी है, आपको बहुत मजा आएगा। अगर आप बात करोगे तो यू आर डिस्टर्बिंग टू द होल क्लास, इट इज नॉट गुड थिंग। सभी लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं। यस, तो अच्छे बच्चे सुनते हैं। गॉट इट? नाउ माउथ। क्या है ये? माउथ। ओके, लुक। Wait, huh? Ears. Yes, this is my ears. Hands, nose, eyes, mouth, ears and legs. ओके, अगर आप बात करोगे तो मैंने बोला है मैं नहीं सिखाने वाली हूँ। यस, आयुष बात नहीं करना है बेटा। यस, डोंट अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एनीबॉडी। गॉट इट? ओके, नाउ सी, अभी किसने किया? अद्वैत। ओके, नाउ look in this picture. So this girl and boy, they hold the apple. They hold an apple. उन्होंने क्या पकड़ा है? Apple. So we can hold the things with the help of which body part? सभी लोग मुझे वो body part दिखाएंगे। With the help of which body part? With the help of my hand. Yes, तो मैं ये पिक्चर मेरे हैंड्स कहाँ है वहां पे स्टिक करूंगी। गॉट इट? सो इसी तरह हम लोग देखेंगे वो एक्टिविटी किससे हम लोग वो चीज करते हैं। आई कैन डू दैट थिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ विच बॉडी पार्ट। गॉट इट? समझ में आया सबको? नाउ द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज, because of wind, it is, look now how it is. Now see what she is doing. क्या कर रही है वो गर्ल? She is taking smell. Yes, so with the help of which body part we can take a smell? Touch that body part. Everyone touch your that body part. सभी लोग वो body part touch करेंगे with the help of nose. Yes, nose. Where is nose? Yes, look, with the help of my nose I can take a smell. देखो बात नहीं करनी है, इससे पहले भी मैंने बोला था, तभी भी आप बात कर रहे हो। इट इज नॉट गुड थिंग। यस, लुक, these kids, they are going to the school. They are walking. They are walking and they are going to the school. So with the help of which body part we can walk? Yes?
Walk करें.
Walk किस body part की help से करते हैं हम?
Legs.
Legs. Very good. Yes. Veera? Good beta. Then look, the girl is taking breakfast and she is drinking a milk. So with the help of which body part she is drinking a milk? Yes,
Mouth.
with the help of mouth.
माउथ म्हणायचं.
Yes, mouth.
आता
Yes, mouth. So where is the picture of mouth? Yes, got it.
Oh.
Yes, right? It is right. Very good. Now see. Now see.
सॉरी.
It's okay.
Advait. See the picture. This girl and boy, they are reading a book. वो क्या कर रहे हैं? They are reading a book. So with the help of which body part they are reading? Yes, if we have closed our eyes, it is possible to read anything.
I see the green.
No, yes, with the help of eyes. So where is the eyes? Yes, here. Eyes. Yes. Now see here. What he is doing? क्या कर रहे हो? I think headphone लगाए हैं और वो कुछ तो कर रहा है. What he is doing? Yes.
Yes.
Listening. Very good. He is listening a music. वो क्या कर रहा है? Music सुन रहा है. Very good. So with the help of which body part we can listen? We can hear.
Yes.
With the help of our ears. Yes. Okay. Very good. So now see the next picture. The boy is, what he is doing? He is watching a TV. वो क्या कर रहा है? टीवी देख रहा है. So with the help of which body part he is watching a TV? Eyes. Very good. So where is the eyes? Yes. Here. Here we have to stick this picture. Yes. Right? Right? Right or wrong? Now the next picture is, look, this boy is jumping. क्या कर रहा है वो? Jump कर रहा है. Yes, look. So with the help of which body part we can jump?
Legs.
Legs. With the help of our legs we can jump. We can walk. We can run. Yes? Yes. Now look. This girl hold a book in her hand. इस गर्ल ने क्या किया है? एक बुक अपने हाथ में होल्ड किया है, अपने हैंड में होल्ड किया है. श्रवण, so with the which body part she hold the book? श्रवण बताएगा. श्रवण, only श्रवण. किस बॉडी पार्ट से की हेल्प से उसने वो बुक होल्ड किया है? Anybody? Hand. Very good. With the help of hand. Yes. Now, bas na? Enough. Now look, these two kids are eating an ice cream. वो क्या कर रहे हैं? आइसक्रीम खा रहे हैं. So आइसक्रीम कैसे खाते हैं? With the help of which body part?
Mouth.
Very good. With the help of mouth. Yes. Very nice. So, dear kids, have you enjoyed this activity? Enjoy की सबने ये activity?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
पसंद आई आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now our meeting is going to end. So everyone, say bye and depart the meeting.
Madam, bye.
Bye.
Madam, bye, madam.
Take care.
Bye.